Hello,
Hello.
my name is Mr. Ruben, and today we are going to do the AMG final test for end of course 3. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Please give me a short introduction about yourself.
My name is Tom. Today I'm very happy. I'm 16 years old. My birthday is on July 29. Um, I study at Đơn Thị Hoàng High to school. Um, there are four people in my family: my dad, my mom, my sister, and me. I live in Phước Thái village. My email address is tomfreetoline@gmail.com. My phone number is 0290720009. My favorite clothes is t-shirt because it's comfortable. My favorite weather is rainy because it's cool and chill.
Mm-hmm.
My favorite mm, my favorite sport is badminton because it's good. My favorite uh, everything that good for me.
Okay. Good. Let's go to part 2. What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is Kiên Giang because it is my hometown. Hometown.
Okay. And what do you like doing there?
I like play game and sleeping in my hotel because the atmosphere is clean and fresh.
Okay. Good. And tell teacher, how often do you go there?
I often go there once a year on Tết holiday with my family.
Okay. And what would you like to do there next time? Or let's say, where would you like to go on holiday next?
Mm, I like going to Suntin on holiday because it's an amazing place.
Where?
Suntin,
Santien.
yeah.
Okay. And what would you do at Santien?
Mm, uh, I mm, I like swimming and exploring view. Uh, Especially it had a lazy river.
River? Okay.
Um, you, yeah, I can sit apart and chill.
Is there a beach?
No, it's the park.
Like amusement park? Like
Yeah,
Suy Tien?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me what are your favorite clothes?
My favorite color is t-shirt because it's comfortable.
Okay. And what color are they?
It's the black because it's not be cool.
Okay. And what are they made of?
They made of cotton because it's so good when I wearing in the summer.
Hmm. And how often do you go shopping?
Mm, I often go shopping once a year because I hate shopping.
Oh, really? Okay. And what do you think about shopping online versus real shops?
I can shopping in the shop is better than shopping online because you can take uh, and some match of wrong size and color.
Okay, so you can see what size and color you want already. Okay, let's look at the map. Can you tell me how to get to the police station?
Mm, First station.
Police
Police
station.
station. Uh, to get to police station, you go straight on Bond Street. Um, at the roundabout, you no again. Uh, to get to police station, you go straight to the end on street. Uh, it's your left. It's your left.
On
Uh,
my left?
and next hospital.
Next to the hospital. Okay. And how would I go to the bus station?
To get to bus station, you go straight on Bond Street. At the roundabout, you turn right and go straight to the end of King Drive. Uh, it's your left. It's your left opposite Italian restaurant.
Okay. Okay. Good. High five.
Yeah,
Good
let's
job.
go.
Look at there for me.